Now that we know how to properly gauge the keys, set the calibration of the machine, and set the depth of cut, we can move on to the physical cutting of the keys. We will begin by explaining how to cut an internal track Sidewinder key. Let's begin. With the keys properly gauged, the calibration of the machine set, and the proper depth of cut set, we can begin the key cutting process. Start by having the table moved forward. Hit the black button on the side of the machine to engage the cutter. Use your left hand to control the table handle and have your right hand on the bottom right corner of the table to help stabilize the movement. With an internal track key, always start at the right tip of the key and work your way down the right side of the key. Then, slowly work your way up the left side of the key. Follow this specific pattern while cutting an internal track key. Also note, do not try to cut the key in one pass. Make 4 passes to ensure the key cutting is done smoothly. On the 4th and final pass, clean out any material that is left at the tip of the key and retrace all of the cuts, making sure that they are cut out cleanly. When you are done, move the table forward, hit the red button on the side of the machine to disengage the cutter, remove the new key from the right jaw, brush the jaws clean, and then brush the cuts of the new key clean. The customer's original key does not have to be flipped, so the depth of cut does not have to be readjusted. After the new key is cut clean, reload it into the jaws, making sure it is sitting flat and properly gauged. Again, make sure the table is moved forward and hit the black button to engage the cutter. Remember to always start at the right tip of the key on an internal track key and work your way down the right side. When you are done cutting, move the table forward and hit the red button to disengage the cutter. You can now remove the key and brush it clean. Cutting of the internal track key is now complete.